So everyone, very good evening. We will see for today Nifty or Bank Nifty levels. Okay. So this is for monthly chart. So your 26,326. This is a high. All-time high. So market will be expecting right now. Market not downtrend. Okay. Market will be trading, booking the small profits here. Okay. We will see the whenever market came to a downturn means so market breaking these levels, after only market will be coming downtrend. So this is monthly chart. So this candle this one candle. Okay, taking 2 months or one month, more than 1 month is be taking. Otherwise market trading around here once this type. After breakout here also will be expecting breakout. Okay, this is for monthly chart analysis. Otherwise after breakout here market will be uptrend. Okay, this is views. So I will clear this. We will go to chart weekly analysis. Market today market will be retestment. Zero point 0.618. 0.618. Okay, market will be trading this level 25,700 today low. After breaking this low, market will be expecting more correction or profit booking some coming days. Now we see to next day chart. So this is the 3 days chart. Okay, we mentioned these three candles. What is low? 25,000, 25,700. Okay, 700, 25,957. Okay, So this high 25,957 or 16 year. Okay, after breaking for these candles, market will be coming again trading this kind of patterns or breakout, otherwise downtrend. Okay, so this is the zone, market trading here, otherwise breakout. Upside means buy 20, low sideways sell entry. Okay, you will see for after some days. I will we will see Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty also. So market just market update for today, market updates. This is coming every evening, will be coming the newses. Okay, so last 3 days, okay, what will happen? So 58,800, 447. This is the low and high market right now. So market will be maximum try to here sideways market, breakout trading, and downside breakout trading. Okay, what I will expecting for here. So market moving high on a downtrend as sideways market. So market high and low. So trading sideways or breakout. I will change it the monthly chart. All time high will mention to all time high 60,0677, or we'll go to weekly chart, mention to this level or this high. Okay, pattern, wedge pattern. So market trading this pattern, weekly chart. After day chart. Okay, you will connect the every low and high. This is for Nifty or Bank Nifty views. After breaking this lows only, we getting some update. Market will be consolidation here, expecting for again 60,000. 60,000 stop loss 58, 900. Okay, 800. This is stop loss. Okay. I will see for any another update I will update for tomorrow in our shorts videos. Any quick update will be there. You will note it for this is enough. You will note it after we will see for tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening section. If you like it this video means kindly share and subscribe and your friends. Thank you.